What's going on? My name is Michael Petty. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. What I want to do in this video real quick is to show you the simplicity of how Lead Lightning works and how you can use it to build your Exitus Elite business or any opportunity that you're promoting. The Lead Lightning system comes with a pre-made funnel. It comes with the lead capture page, already have your email autoresponder already built, pre-written and ready to go. The entire system is ready to go. What you do is you go to mycompanyadmin.com, put in your credentials. When you log into the back office, this is what you're going to see. This is the quick start. The reason why you see this on top is the system is designed to always sell the next step. You go as far as you want to go. The system is designed to sell for you. You focus on driving traffic. So you go through the information. This is how the system sells your business for you, not only inside the emails, but every time someone logs into the back office, they're going to see this. Congratulations, it's going to be your name, welcome to Lead Lightning, your referral's contact information. This is going to be your contact information, and it says click here to see your referral's affiliate recommended income stream. When they click there, it's going to take them to whatever you're promoting, whatever link you have in the back office. I promote Exitus Elite because it's an automated system, has a sales team, $100 to $2,000 instant paydays. But I like to lead people with the Lead Lightning funnel because it works great for beginners and pros. This system has helped you define buyers, and the best people for our primary business opportunity are buyers. So when you're in the back office of your Lead Lightning account, you follow the 3 steps. Join the Facebook group. There you can ask your questions, get multiple answers. You can contact me if you have any questions. Choose what link you want to advertise. You place the link right there, or whatever opportunity, whatever system, whatever product you want to promote. You put the link there, hit update. Okay, you click here to test it. Then you advertise your link. The best way to advertise your link is not to post your link across social media. It's to show yourself, brand yourself, give someone somebody to connect to, which is going to be you. It should always be you. Talk about why you got started. Talk about the benefits of Lead Lightning. What is it used for? It's great for finding buyers for your business. You build your list. Not only can you make money even if a person does not join your business from Lead Lightning, but it also helps you get more exposure to your business from the email follow-up, promoting Lead Lightning and also promoting your business. Whatever link you put here, that's what it's going to promote. And as I stated, it's designed to sell the next step, supercharge my system. That's going to take you to the next level, which is gold membership. So what's the pound behind gold membership? This is the Lead Lightning capture page. When I'm upgraded to the system, so I create my own capture page so I can brand myself every step of the way. Inside the back office, you can either give away the Lead Lightning funnel, which is this capture page, or you can choose the free lead system, which this is the free lead system capture page. When they get the free lead system, it's going to send it to their email, but it's going to also promote the next step, which is Lead Lightning. My free lead capture page looks like this. Again, I want to brand myself. I want people to know who they're going to be working with. I want to build trust, the likability. I want them to get to know me. That's why I post. That's why I do YouTube videos. That's why I talk about myself. My reasoning for getting inside network marketing. My reason for getting inside Lead Lightning and Exitus Elite. And I do that over time. I do that inside of emails. I do that inside of reels. I do that inside of posts on Facebook or across social media. So over time, a person gets to know who I am as a person. And all these pages was made from the gold level membership, which is right after Lead Lightning. The gold level, you create your own pages, you create your own funnels. And this is my bridge page. If you make the decision to get Lead Lightning, these are the team bonuses that I give, which every team bonus page was made through Power Lead System. But if you can get yourself in front of people, get out, get seen, get heard, talk about yourself, brand yourself. And here's the little secret. You want to get to know what your prospects needs, okay? And you want to attach your business opportunity to that, to their needs. If you want a weight loss program, of course, you're going to target people who want to lose weight. You want a health and wellness. You want to target those who wants to get healthy. Me personally, what I look for is anybody who's in network marketing, MLM, affiliate marketing, online business, who needs more leads and more income. Of course, that's who? That's every single person in the online space. Everybody needs leads. Everybody needs income. So I promote a product that's going to help them with that, because everybody is not focused on their health. They should be, but they're not. Even Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite doesn't target every single person in the industry, but Lead Lightning does, because everybody wants leads. Everybody wants sales. So that's why I lead with Lead Lightning. and I let Lead Lightning build my list, help me find buyers. And through the emails, it promotes my business. And I also send my own personal follow-up messages using Aweber, because I like using Aweber. Now, Power Lead System do come with a built-in email autoresponder campaign, but once you have a huge list, it's very limited to how much you can send out. So Aweber, you can send out more. So when I put my information out there, I look for people who want to keep it very simple, okay? Who don't want to have to go out there and hard sell their business, who want to open up their target market a little more than just have it targeted to weight loss, health, or specific type of prospect. So I lead with Lead Lightning, also lead with Free Lead System, because it opens up my reach of people, because it offers them what they're looking for as well. So listen, if you want to get more information about getting inside Lead Lightning, help you find buyers, help you get more exposure, click the link in the description, go to this page, enter your email address. It's going to bring you to my welcome page. Here I introduce myself a little bit, my contact information. This is access to Lead Lightning, plus more inside. Getting Lead Lightning, you're going to get my team bonuses. And from there, you're going to see how simple I keep it to get people in front of Exitus Elite. Person comes to this page, they watch the videos. These videos, you will know if you want to get involved when you see these two videos. Call center, Exitus Elite helps me make sales. So if I'm busy somewhere, just like Power Lead System, help you make sales, Exitus Elite, help you make sales. I'm in two opportunities, but they both help me make sales. That's what they are designed to do. That's why I picked both of these, because it's extremely simple and you get excellent support. Video about me making money inside Exitus Elite. I give a little tips in there on how to do that. Ready to get started? Click here, Exitus Elite. Position yourself to make those $2,000 paydays, right? And what to start with? It started with a simple $7 system, right? It costs less than a McDonald's meal. But people go to McDonald's every day. You make unlimited $6 commissions to build your buyers list. Once you build that buyers list, those are the individuals you want to put in front of your business. And this system is going to do that for you, along with you, of course, working on your branding and branding yourself. So that's it for this video. Again, I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Go ahead and click that link down in the description. Instead of going to McDonald's, go ahead and spend the $7 on something that's going to put money back in your pocket and help you build your business. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.